Hello again. This is just a quick review of the Anycubic Kobra 3. I've owned this for well over a year now. I bought it last June, I think, and this is just my review on how well it's been, if it's broken down, and to be honest, it's been really good. I have started to see a few marks on the plate there. I have no idea how it's happened or what's caused it. I don't scrape anything off the plate. Everything still sticks to it. It's still fine. It still prints fine. I've had no problems at all with the ace box. I only use PLA in it. I haven't used any other filament in it. I've had no problems with the actual printhead itself. I have had a few problems with the nozzle, which I've replaced. I do keep an eye on them because they do tend to start leaking, or the earlier ones that I don't know about the newer ones. I haven't had problems with the last one I put in, and it's been printing a few hundred prints now. This Anycubic has well over 1,000 hours of printing on it. I do grease the wheels where it's metal on metal. I haven't had to replace any of these, and I've had no problems with the screen at all. I did start to get a small problem with the vibration compensation, so I did contact Anycubic. They suggested that I replace the hot plate because it was the vibration module. I did a firmware update and that problem seems to have disappeared, but I do have a spare plate in case it does go wrong again. But I've had absolutely no problems with this. I've had a few prints come off the plate, which is me not putting a brim around them. I do sometimes heat the plate up to 62 because some of the prints do tend to come off occasionally, and with these things, these have been fine, and as you can see I'm using it on the plate 62. But I've honestly had hardly any problems with this at all. Most of the problems have been caused by myself. I've been so happy with this. I actually printed with this straight out of the box, and I had no idea how to even use a printer before I bought this one. Would I buy another Anycubic? Yes, I would. The support that I had when I did start getting problems with the vibration compensation module was really quick, and they told me what the problem was. The whole hot plate only cost me £40. I haven't even replaced it because the error went away when I did the upgrade. The printer itself has been absolutely brilliant. I mean, I've done hundreds of prints with this over the last year, over a year, and it's still going strong. I did have a wire broke off of the light, so the light doesn't work, which is nothing, and that was my own fault for pulling this off too hard. But I've had no problems at all with the ace plate. It's been absolutely brilliant. The screen's been really good. You know, well over 1,000 hours later, the printer's still printing. So yes, I definitely would buy another Anycubic. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already.